Hi, so happy March 27th. I thought I would do a quick video if we ever get out of this quarantine situation and we're able to sell houses again. Eventually, if you're selling your house, you're going to need to allow buyers to come in and do a home inspection. So I have a lot of people ask me how to prepare for home inspection. I have a list of 5 things that I think will help and are a lot of times overlooked. Being that it's a boring Saturday, we're stuck in the house, I thought I would try and make this a little more fun, and I bought these cricket bites. I have 5 flavors. They're all gonna suck. I don't know why I keep doing this stupid stuff, but I need to run my ideas by somebody else next time. So I'm gonna eat one of these with every one of my tips, and it's going to suck. But hopefully it makes your Saturday a little less crappy and makes my video a little more entertaining. I don't know. Such a bad idea. But let's get started. I'm going to start with the roasted original, because I feel like I can get what does an original cricket taste like? Who the hell knows? But I figure I can get it out of the way, and maybe it's uphill from there. It's all going to be bad. So I haven't opened them yet. I have no idea what's in here. Well, I know it's in here. I don't know what it's going to look like. Hopefully it doesn't look like a cricket. I guess we'll find out. Of course, now I can't get the bag open. Oh, yeah, they look like crickets. Holy sh... Okay. Oh, it's so gross. Oh, it's a cricket. Okay, number 1 is plan to be out of your house for 3 or more hours. Oh, that's so gross. Even if your buyers are polite and they say they don't mind, they really do. You should leave the house, go run some errands, take a walk. Just give them space so that they can kind of... get into it, pay attention to the inspector. You don't want to be hanging around. That's just so disgusting. I think second we're going to go with the cheesy ranch. So my second tip is going to be remove pets from the home. I don't think you should run around and catch your cats or anything like that, but definitely remove any dogs. These are... it tastes like ranch. Okay. Yeah, you don't have to run around and get cats and all that stuff, but even if it's not a big scary dog, nobody wants to listen to your little Jack Russell yap at them for 3 hours while they're trying to do a home inspection. It's just going to put everybody in a bad mood, and you don't want that. So that was number 2. Number 3, we're going to go with buffalo wings. I have like stuck in the back of my throat. It's so gross. Oh, this bag is full of them. Yeah, these have legs still. So I was too busy eating crickets and I left my third tip out. Number 3 was to keep all inspection areas clear, or to clear them all out. This means like around the hot water heater, attic steps, basement steps, crawl spaces. The inspector is going to need access to everything. So that was tip number 3. This is so... They were the grossest so far. They're like squishy. All right. Number 4 is provide keys for all of the outbuildings. That includes garages, sheds, things like that. They're going to be there for 3 hours. Make sure everything is, the inspector's going to go over everything. So you might as well get in the garage then. There's no reason, nobody wants to have to come back. So. Oh, there you go. Crickets. These are spicy cayenne. No, they're not good either. All right. And the last one is bacon, which I don't even like bacon, so these are going to be disgusting. These are darker than the other ones. Okay, number 5. Leave as much documentation as possible. The inspectors are just people. You don't want them making mistakes saying something is 20 years old when it's 5 years old. So if you have any repairs done, replacements on utilities, hot water heaters, things like that, just leave whatever you can. It helps. Oh, they're terrible. All right, they're my 5 tips for selling, for getting a home inspection, for preparing for your home inspection. I'm sorry, these things are terrible. 5 tips to prepare your home for a home inspection when you're selling. Check out the other videos, and thank you. Here's off. Pretty good. Pretty good.